morning, Patriots. It's Wednesday, October 7th. Hope everybody's having a really great morning. Starting to get a little chilly out there, so hope we're up and moving. Today is a Wednesday. We're going to keep the assignment pretty light today, so we're going to give you some extra time to work on anything that you may need to get a little catching up to do. So today is Brain Pop Day. We did this about a week and a half ago, so I hope you remember what you need to do, but I'm going to go over it real quickly in case you don't. You hop over to Clever, and under English Language Arts is our Brain Pop icon. We're going to click on that Brain Pop icon, and remember, mine is a teacher version, so mine is going to look a little different than yours. So it's going to look like that when you hop up. I need everybody to go to the dashboard. And at the dashboard, once again, yours is going to look different than mine. You are going to have two assignments. One could be the circulatory system assignment, and the other one is the heart assignment. So in those assignments, there is a 2-minute video and then a short quiz afterwards. So there's a short video for the heart and there's a short video for the circulatory system. So we need to do each of those. So make sure you complete 2 of your boxes on your dashboard today. That's all we really have to do today. Nice and short, so it's going to give you some time to get caught up. If you have any questions, feel free to email Miss Love or myself. Have a great day.